I have Rain versus Spy. These are winners finals.
Rain very used to being winners finals.
Yep.
Spy too, actually. She's made a lot of. Oh no!
Rain's gonna dip too low there and not recover, so that's already a stock down, unfortunately.
These are two very practiced players, both very good, and you'd fully expect to see them here. And the punish game with this.
Oh, and then
Mario,
another
goodness.
Rain stock down. Alright, a very good first game for Spy. Oh, but, you know, recoveries don't always work out.
Yeah. And that's what happens when you're playing against one of the best.
It's still looking pretty Spy favored thus far.
Yeah, if you
Ooh.
to a point, but if you ignore the SD, they've both gone pretty back and forth. There's the Mario
Nice.
pressure. Getting the tech chases and the resets with Fireball.
Ah, yeah, that absolutely reaches out so far. Alright, so Spy is gonna give Rain a bit of distance. Understandable. But Rain is closing that percent gap. Trying to go up in the sky with a tornado. We saw that kill before, but it was on Puff.
Yeah, you can't go above each other like that.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That kills, that does it.
That will take it, but Spy's basically dead here. Spy is gonna have to be pretty evasive. Oh no, down there.
Does it.
Pretty blatant and abrupt, that one. Even game. Did not start off so good for Rain. Oh!
Oh, almost.
Oh, but that platform, wait, that could be very scary. Oh, okay. Why would you challenge that? It worked, but why?
Goodness. The courage you need to have the normal get up in front of each go charging F smash. Good meteor cancels.
Okay. Yeah, either can take this. Both are basically at kill percent. Alright. Oh, that back air narrowly missing, but
No.
she goes in to land in front of the shield, the grab not reaching. Ooh, up smash not taking it. Oh, that up air, that's barely not going to be enough. Oh, no one can get any punishes. That up air into back air, but across the stage. Ooh. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
ooh.
that does it. Barely.
Takes first game.
This game's winner is Ichigo.
After clawing her way back after that SD right at the start, great showing. See if it carries over into game 2.
Oh, bandana the Ganondorf, huh? Alright.
That's a matchup.
I think we saw the Spy Ganondorf before.
We did. Spy Ganondorf took out.
Alright, well the first... That's gonna be suicide down there by DDD. Not DDD, Bandana D. I'm assuming the gentleman to this.
Probably. I think lots of people are going to secondaries.
Yeah.
Just playing for fun.
Yeah, this seems like a for fun sort of thing. Ooh, okay.
Never really seen this matchup played out before.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see how it goes.
We were just looping with the nairs. Okay.
Endorse so much better at killing. Although saying that, down air is pretty good. Pretty good. Ah, so close to killing.
No, don't. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
you can't go for that breed.
I was close. Wasn't the worst Warlock punch I've seen.
True.
Okay, that up
Nice.
smash. Ganondorf is at a high percent, so could be a little bit precarious once the mid-down D gets Ganondorf off stage. Alright. What we got here? Ooh, just gonna grab right through that. And that'll be game. Rain up a 2-0.
Taking all bets on whether they'll stay with the secondaries or switch back to their mains.
I say to stay secondaries. Oh, right, Luffy's.
Okay. I don't know if I've ever seen either of them play either of his characters.
Like, I've seen this matchup before, but I've never seen these players in particular play these characters.
You're already doing better than me. But saying that, this sandbag does look practice. Getting way more damage on me.
And these are good
Anything
players. I'm
really
sure
good.
they've played a lot of the cast.
A decent amount, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, nice.
Not getting edge guard. And who's gonna... Oh no, missing it again. Sandbag can't grab ledge, you have to recover in a certain way. Gotta take advantage of it. Although Rain does take the stuff there. And who are you bombing?
Alright,
Oh,
Spii gonna take a little bit of a lead here. Alright. Does Rain have Luffy combos?
We'll see.
Okay, that's a good spacing on that forward smash.
He has her smash.
Alright. Nair.
I'm mashing forward there. Yeah, there it
Yeah.
is. Been too reliable at taking the stock, not to see it again. And when you got something with such a large code box who's just flying around here like Luffy, you really expect to see it all the time.
Ouch, that throw's gonna take it.
Questionable DI.
Alright, 2-1. Who knows what characters we're gonna see next?
We are going to see
Looking for Naruto,
Mega Man
maybe a
versus
Marth.
Tails.
One of those two. Bomberman versus
Oh
Peach.
my
Okay.
goodness. We love to play random.
I might legitimately be playing random, which is great. Be down for random tournaments. Alright, nice. Ooh! Making use of that Bomb, not gonna quite kill, but quick attack landing's gonna get punished with the forward smash. You know, Reigns has a little bit of a lead. Gotta be honest, I haven't seen Bomberman that often, so I don't know how to commentate this character.
Yeah. Keep an eye on where the bombs are, I guess.
Yeah, they have bombs sometimes.
Because that's really where Bomberman shines. But you gotta get people to want to shield, and then exploit that as much as you can. Bomberman has a pretty good throw in down throw, and
Yeah.
forward throw kills quite well. But if you're not getting the bombs out, and getting people to shield, or getting people to stay off the ground, you're really gonna struggle. If you don't have the save burst movement, you don't have great pressure tools.
Rain has managed to build up a little bit of a lead. Maybe it's like an out-neutraling or out-funding. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that down smash.
That's
Chucking
enough
that-
down smash though.
Yeah.
That's not the 1.2 down smash.
Ooh, okay.
Oh,
Nice little bomb to up air setup.
Oliver.
A very healthy lead for Rain. Could end now. Placing down two pretty powerful bombs, middle of the stage. A lot of coverage. See some good use from those. Ooh. Yeah, there's little where Pikachu could go at this point. Just not gonna recover there.
Ouch.
Oh, but still gonna fall into that up smash.
There's no way in winners finals we're gonna have
Oh, wait.
Rain's Bomberman
Okay.
taking it over Spi's Pikachu. Oh, more aerials like that and we will. Did I do it?
Oh, okay.
Oh my
it almost hit. Okay.
Fucking-
Whoa. I'm just not recovering there. Not impossible. If Rain messes up on one more recovery, we could see a game 5. Oh, never mind. Rain taking it. That'll be winners finals.
Winner is Bomberman.
On to Grand
Goodness.
Rain.
Winners side as well.
Now on
Let's
to the
get it,
losers
man.
side of the bracket. We got